I'll be showing you the top blogging apps that use AI for your Shopify store. And for each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, UI, pricing, and reviews so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. The first app we're going to take a look at today is called Autoblogger. So you can fully automate your store's blogging with daily AI-built SEO-friendly posts. It's going to give you up to 7 SEO-friendly posts per week, so you can enjoy HTML markup, on-page SEO, and captivating images. It's going to automatically do this as well, so you don't have to manually go in to create these posts, and it's going to integrate seamlessly with your Shopify store. You can manage your upcoming articles easily and even add your own. You can also fine-tune this as well by adding custom SEO keywords. In terms of pricing, it's going to have a free 14-day trial, and it's going to depend on the amount of blogs you want per week. At $9.99 a month, you get 1 blog post per week, and at $24.99, you get 7 blogs per week. There's an excellent 4.8 rating with 12 5-star reviews, and if we take a look at the latest review here, Autoblogger takes the hassle out of blogging with its user-friendly automated content creation, no need for user input, and it's going to analyze trends to deliver SEO-friendly articles. It's going to keep your website competitive effortlessly. Our second app here is called ChatGPT AI Blog and SEO Optimizer. So Smartly is an AI writer that generates SEO optimized product descriptions and blogs to give your site an SEO boost. You can generate product descriptions in seconds with just a single click, improve conversions by choosing SEO optimized product descriptions, choose your keywords or let AI auto-generate them for you, and boost traffic with a powerful blog writer. In terms of pricing, to get the blog writer, it's going to start at $29 a month, where you get 10 AI blog posts, and it's going to go up in price depending on the number of blog posts you're looking to get on a monthly basis. In terms of rating, it has an excellent 4.4 stars with 130 plus 5-star reviews. It's praised for its user-friendly interface and it's easy to navigate for beginners. The third app we're taking a look at is called Content X. So you can create hyper SEO AI blog content automatically, written daily, and publish. All you need to do is just set it up. So you can get quality SEO optimized content effortlessly, and it's going to use advanced AI and ChatGPT, and it's going to pull the data from your store, generating captive headlines, well-written blog posts, and scheduled publication calendar. In terms of pricing, there's a 7-day free trial. It's going to start at $49 a month. We get 1 blog per day, and those blog posts are going to be 300 to 400 words. There is also a free starter plan where you get 1 blog per week and up to 400 words per blog. Not the most expensive, it's going to be $247 a month, and you can get 3 blog posts per day. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 5 5-star reviews. If we look at the latest review here, it's saved them time and money on copywriting, and the customer service is also very responsive, and they would recommend it to any business of any size. The final app we're taking a look at here is called Blog SEO, and it's an AI blog and AI SEO tool. So it allows you to perform SEO research as well as generate high-quality blog posts based on your store. It's going to help you discover relevant keywords with the help of AI, so you can easily adopt article ideas from competitors and similar websites. This lets you create personalized content at scale, and it makes it super easy to link your best products naturally into your blog posts. In terms of pricing, there's a completely free plan where you get 3 AI blog posts, a keyword research trial, a site inspection trial, and an AI content tools trial. And as you move up in price, you get more blog posts. At $99, it's 300 AI blog articles a month, and you're going to get more lines of keyword research and site inspection reports. In terms of reviews, this is still a very new app, sitting at a decent 3.7 stars with 2 5-star reviews. And the latest review here states that discovering blog SEO has been a game changer for their Shopify blogging experience. The one-click article generation and seamless publishing to Shopify have significantly saved them time and simplified their content creation process. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of your profit. You have your cost of goods sold, your ad spend across different platforms, your transaction fees, your refunds, and more. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and it's going to give you real-time calculations along with a ton of different details, analytics, and charts so you can make smarter business decisions for your store. There's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the app listing directly. You can also find it on the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. This is going to conclude the video on the top AI blogging apps. Let me know in the comments which one you plan to use, if any. I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.